Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn, and today we're going to be showing you how to upgrade cheap wire shelves with a wooden shelf.
We're visiting family and my brother was asking for this, but we don't have a bunch of tools with us. So we needed something we could make without a bunch of tools on hand.
So we're looking for wood to make a shelf, and plywood is pretty good, but we'll have to edge band it. So look what we found. Project panels. Already good to go as they are.
The cuts we need to make are ripping it to width, cutting it to length, and notching out each of the 4 corners for the vertical post in the wire shelf unit.
All right, so with this, you don't need to biscuit joint, you don't need a dowel, none of that. You don't need a planer. All you need is something to cut with. You could just use like a saw. We're definitely gonna need—
a handsaw?
Like a handsaw, yeah.
I mean, you could.
You could. We're gonna use this jigsaw for the corners, and you could use it to cut it down to size too, although it might be a little bit wavy. So instead, we're gonna use a circular saw with—
oh God, both of these.
with this sled to keep it really straight. So we are using a few tools, but really, you don't need that many.
This is kind of it.
That's kind of it though.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, all right, let's start cutting.
I'm so covered in dust.
We wanted to make a video about this project in particular to show that small projects can really change and improve a space. You don't always need to do a huge build.
This face is pretty much good to go.
Just cleaning up the edges that we cut?
Yeah, and just sanding the face because it makes me feel better.
To finish, we're gonna use Wipe on Poly because it's pretty durable, it's quick, and you don't really need to worry about brush marks or any dripping. It just kind of soaks right in and it dries really quick, so. Doesn't make that much of a difference on pine.
While we finish this up, we want to thank Craig for sponsoring this video. We use the Craig AccuCut in this project, which acts as a track for your circular saw to cut straight lines. Another tool that could do the job is the Craig Rip Cut, which allows you to set a cut distance from the edge you're cutting along.
We've used both of these on so many projects, especially on big pieces that would be cumbersome to cut on our table saw. We'll have links below if you want to check them out. Thanks.
Alrighty, we finished the shelf back there, and now we're gonna take it to my brother's and install it. Woo!
Katelyn, moment of truth. Let's see if this fits.
It did!
Yay! Oh, it fits really well. It's like really snug.
Good job.
Yeah.
And you guys did a good job measuring. Can you confirm that you like it?
Good, sister.
Thank you. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like what we do and you like these videos and want to help us make more, you can check out our Patreon at patreon.com/Evan and Katelyn, where we will film our after show and talk about all the cool behind the scenes stuff.
You said all the words.
I said all the words. Bye.
Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn, and today we're
bad at transitioning and saying the word transitioning. Sure. Oh, there you go.
Not sure
you
what
guys
it would
have
be.
like produce.
I have potatoes. And onions. I don't know how sexy that would look.
Potatoes and onions.